Hello everyone, Ben Dove here, Principal Consultant from the Livingstone Group and Oracle SME. I don't know if you've noticed, but the weather's starting to get a little bit colder, the leaves are starting to turn brown, it's definitely starting to have that autumnal feel right now. And that means, because it's September, we are 8 months away from the end of Oracle's fiscal year. This is important because for many customers, the 31st of May 2025 is going to see the end of their ULA or unlimited license agreement. So to support those customers, I'm going to do a 3-video series on Oracle ULAs. With this, the first one about what is a ULA. My second video will be the common pitfalls and challenges that customers face in ULAs, and then a final video on exiting or certifying out of a ULA. So with that said, let's get into the first key question. What is a ULA? A ULA is an unlimited license agreement. This is an agreement between a customer and Oracle, whereby Oracle grants that customer the right to deploy and use the products within the agreement at an unlimited quantity during the unlimited deployment period, the period of the agreement. But this doesn't explain why customers buy ULAs and what the value of a ULA is. There are two different reasons here. There's the reason why ULAs exist, and there's a reason why customers buy a ULA, and these are two very separate things. So why do ULAs exist? Well, originally a ULA was designed as a mechanism to fix the problem for large enterprise organizations deploying Oracle databases en masse. The problem was, every so often they'd run out of licenses, so they'd have to stop, go back to Oracle, negotiate an additional license purchase, and then go back to deploying their databases. So the ULA was designed as a resolution to this challenge so that you wouldn't have to stop and buy licenses when you ran out, and you could just deploy until the end of your ULA agreement. But that's not the reason why customers buy ULAs. The reason why customers buy ULAs is compliance. So either after the result of an Oracle audit, whereby the ULA is offered as a resolution to identified non-compliance, or in fear of an audit, where a ULA is used as a shield to protect the customer from an Oracle audit. So our next question is, what are the key features of a ULA? Now, not all ULAs are created equally. So while most will have these key features, you may find the odd one that doesn't have one or two of these things. But the first primary feature of a ULA is obviously the unlimited deployment right. And this gives the customer the right to deploy the products within the ULA at an unlimited quantity during the course of the agreement. The second key feature is a total support stream cap. Now, to understand that, first I have to explain what a total support stream is. Now, when you take products into a ULA, your perpetual licenses, the previous licenses you own for those products, are terminated, but the support carries into the ULA. All of the support within the ULA is termed the total support stream. Now, traditional licenses face an 8% year-on-year support increase. When you move those support streams into the ULA, that support is capped. So during the course of the ULA, the 3 or 5 years, it will not increase during that period. And if you've negotiated it, you may keep that support cap for the additional 2 years after the agreement. The next feature is the extended support waiver. So with products that are in the ULA, if they undergo an extended support period within the Oracle support roadmap, Oracle will waive those extended support fees for ULA customers. And the final key feature of a ULA, and for many customers the most important component, is the no audit clause. And this is where Oracle contractually agrees to not audit the customer for the products that are contained within the ULA during the period of the ULA. Hopefully, that's explained what a ULA is and the key features of one. In my next video, I'm going to explore the common pitfalls and challenges that customers face once they've entered into a ULA, and I hope you'll join me for that one. If you do have any questions about ULAs or about Oracle licensing in general, please put them in the comments and I'll be delighted to answer them for you. Thank you, and hopefully we'll see you again on the next one.